In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your ignition coil on a Nissan NV2500. It is located in the engine bay area. Your engine has two different lengths of coils. Your long coil is for cylinders 1, 2, 3, and 4, which is your first 4 cylinders. Your back one is your short coil, and that's for cylinders 5, 6, 7, 8, and that's your back 4. We're on the driver's side of the vehicle now. It's a lot harder to do the driver's side because you have a harness in the way, so we're going to show you how to do it on the driver's side. The passenger side, you do not have this harness. You can start off by removing this clip. You can start off by pushing this clip together and pushing your harness down and out. Just to the left of that clip that you just removed, there's another harness clip. It's a different style. There's a piece of metal here. You need to push out on the piece of metal and pull up on the harness. If your clip does not remove from your metal bracket, there's a 10mm bolt just to the right of it. You can remove the bracket completely. Once you remove your bolt, you can pull down on your harness. Once you get your harness out of the way, you have a plug for your coil. Push down on this button right here and pull straight to your left and disconnect your connector from your coil. Your coil is mounted to your valve cover with one 10mm bolt. You need to remove that. Once you loosen your bolt up, you can take a long magnet, install it onto your bolt, and remove your bolt. Now you want to pull straight towards you and out with your coil. You have to move your harness out of the way to remove your coil all the way out. To install your ignition coil, slide your coil into the tube, move your harness out of the way. Push down all the way until it stops and line up your bolt hole. Once you have your coil bolt hole lined up, install your bolt. I just used a magnet to get it started. Now tighten your coil bolt. That bolt gets torqued down to 80 inch-pounds. Now you can plug your coil back in. Listen for the click. You need to reinstall your bracket with your 10mm bolt that bolts to your valve cover. That's right below your coil. Now reinstall your clip for your wiring harness onto your valve cover.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.